Hi, Tita Mila.
Hi, Mark.
Hi, Man Ed. Hi. Hi, Mark. That's me. So, we are here in Capagaw, Capiz, in the islands of Visaya.
Lugar ng mga aswang.
Yeah, lugar ng mga aswang. So, what we're doing is we're just, touring the place. So, as you can see, this is a very long stretch of road. So, we'll see what lies, at the end of this road. And surrounding us are rice fields or terraces. Not rice terraces, but rice fields.
Bicycle. Bicycle.
Oh, ganda, di ba? Tita Mila.
Yes.
Tingnan mo sa taas. Oh.
Parang aswang ano. Parang nakakita kayo ng multo ah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now.
Ganda pala yung ano niya ano.
Yeah,
Ganda
ganda.
pala yung view no, pag nakaano.
Yeah.